Hi, I'm Bernalillo County Assessor Tanya Giddings. People often ask questions about the property assessment process and how it impacts them as property owners in Bernalillo County. That's why we've put together this short video that answers many of the frequently asked questions we get. We hope that it will be a valuable tool in helping you to better understand the process and how our office is here to serve the taxpayers of Bernalillo County. First, let me explain what the Assessor's Office does and doesn't do. What we do: locate all taxable property in the county and identify their ownership. We establish a value for all property subject to property taxation, and we list the value of all property on the assessment roll and apply all legal exemptions. What we do not do is compute property tax bills, collect property taxes, establish property tax laws, or set rules by which property is appraised. One of our biggest responsibilities every year is to send out these. It's called a Notice of Value. And if you own a home in Bernalillo County, you get one every year. Now I'll turn it over to the Assessor's Office staff to explain why the Notice of Value is so important and to answer other questions you may have.
What does my property valuation or assessment mean?
The value set for your property by the county assessor is an estimate of the market value for your land, home, or business real property, and is used by the Treasurer's Office to estimate the amount of property tax you will be paying. For business personal property, the assessment figures in the appreciated cost of business equipment, and manufactured homes assessments are based on NADA values.
What is a Notice of Value?
The Bernalillo County Assessor's Office mails Notice of Values to all property owners in Bernalillo County each spring, informing them what their property assessment is for that year.
What are the differences between full value, taxable value, and net taxable value listed on my Notice of Value?
The full value is what the assessor's office has determined the value of your property to be. The taxable value is 1/3 of the total valuation of your property. The net taxable value is the taxable value minus any exemptions you may have, such as head of household or veterans. It is this net taxable value amount that the Bernalillo County Treasurer uses to calculate the property tax that you will pay.
When will I receive my property tax bill, and how does the Treasurer's Office calculate my tax bill from my assessment?
The Treasurer's Office mails tax bills out November 1st of each year. To determine how much property tax you owe, the Treasurer's Office takes the net taxable value determined on the Notice of Value and multiplies it by the current mill rate, sometimes called the nominal tax rate. If you have any more questions about your tax bill, you should contact Bernalillo County Treasurer's Office at 505-468-7031.
What can I do if I don't agree with my property assessment?
If you don't agree with our property assessment, you can file a protest. Protest forms are available at the County Assessor's Office or the Assessor's website at bernco.gov/assessor-office. It is important to note you must return the protest form to the Assessor's Office within 30 days of the initial mailing date of your Notice of Value. The Assessor's Office will then schedule a meeting with a field appraiser and yourself. If the valuation is not resolved at that meeting, then a formal hearing with the Protest Valuation Review Board will be scheduled for you. If you're not satisfied with the decision of the Protest Valuation Review Board, you may make an official appeal to District Court.
Can I still protest my assessment if I've missed the 30-day deadline?
If you missed the 30-day deadline and would still like to protest, please call our office at 222-3700 for more information about filing a claim for refund. Please keep in mind, though, that the Assessor's Office does not provide legal advice.
What is the 3% cap?
New Mexico state law limits residential property tax valuation increases to a maximum of 3% a year until ownership changes. This law is sometimes called the 3% cap. When the property changes owners, the Assessor's Office must value the property at full current value. This can lead to a jump in taxes on that property from the previous year and to new homeowners paying higher property tax bills than their neighbors. This is known as tax lightning.
I recently moved. Do I need to inform the Assessor's Office?
If you have recently moved, it is important that you inform the Assessor's Office. Address changes are accepted in person, by mail, fax, or email. A change of address form is provided on page 2 of your Notice of Value. You can also find one on the Assessor's Office website under Forms.
Are there any tax savings programs that I can qualify for to help lower my bill?
The state of New Mexico offers several tax savings programs to eligible property owners, including head of household, veterans exemption, and the value freeze program for senior citizens as well as disabled property owners. And there are special methods of valuation for affordable housing and agricultural properties. The fact is, if you own property in New Mexico, it's likely that you qualify for some sort of exemption. For more details, call the Assessor's office at 222-3700 or visit our website and look at our Tax Savings Programs section.
I hope this video has been helpful in answering some of the most frequently asked questions about the assessment process, notice of values, tax savings programs, and any other areas. If you still have any questions, please visit our website anytime at bernco.gov/assessor-office or call our office Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.